Inside Out by Enrico Isamu Oyama is the artist's largest solo exhibition to date in New York that features large-scale paintings and an outdoor public installation. It was held at Tower 49 Gallery in Manhattan, a gallery that organizes long-term exhibitions using its spacious building lobby as a platform for art experiences. In the exhibition, Quick Turn Structure, QTS, the artist's signature motif, appears across the interior and the exterior of Tower 49 Gallery. Figurati number 254 to number 259, tall vinyl QTS on 6 stainless steel columns, surround the building's main entrance. Anyone on this portion of East 49th Street can witness this public installation that transforms the plaza into an outdoor museum. In the lobby of the building, Figurati number 253, a 60-feet painting, is hung on the granite wall on the east side. It was newly created for the exhibition. The background of Figurati number 253 has multi-layered gestural strokes that Oyama improvises in action using different tools and materials. The first layer consists of bold, circular lines of sumi ink that Oyama applies onto canvas by shoe polish marker with a sponge tip customized to splash harder. After adding more subtle strokes of sumi by sponge, Oyama covers the whole canvas with white paint using water sprayer to whitewash the first layer. While bold lines of sumi are drawn all over again, in the second layer, Oyama also uses aerosol paint to put black, misty lines that are darker than sumi. In the third layer, strokes of white paint are made by paint roller, and soon after, the same process repeats as the fourth layer, blending sumi and white paint. After gesturally but also carefully layering different strokes of black and white, Oyama uses bubble wrap to give a little accent as the final touch of background. On top of the background, a clean, hard-edged shape of QTS is painted across the 60-feet canvas from one end to the other by the artist and the studio team. The first process is to project the scan image of QTS drafted on paper onto canvas and trace its outline using paint marker. Then, one side of the QTS shape is painted white and sanded to be a flat and smooth surface. For the other side of the shape, masking tapes are used to produce hard-edged black lines. In the very final process, every single line all over the 60-feet canvas are refined in detail by hand to realize a perfect, clean shape. While Figurati number 253 was in production, the sketch and its digitization for the public installation, Figurati number 254 to number 259, was also in progress in studio. The artists and the assistants installed Figurati number 254 to number 259 by themselves over a few days. And the professional art handler put the 12 canvases of Figurati number 253 together and hung them on the lobby's east wall. The lobby's west wall exhibits 5 large, unstretched canvases, Figurati number 92 to number 96, aligned to respond to the ground floor structure. The exhibition continues up to the gallery's sky lobby, located on the 24th floor, which is in contrast to other areas, a semi-public space with limited access. The pieces presented here on the marble wall are the Found Object series, where QTS overlaps with existing found images. While those intimate and anonymous images seem to remain in their own private space within traditional frames, visitors can see QTS interacting with them, sometimes harmonically, sometimes violently. In Inside Out, QTS appears across 4 areas that gradually connect and shift: in the plaza, outside public space; in the lobbies, inside public space; in the sky lobby, semi-public space; and within the traditional frames, private space, to enhance the trans-border nature of QTS being active in and out, private and public, and throughout the multiple mediums that it negotiates with.